Hey guys, it's Margaret from Days Well Spent, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to seal a jar using the FoodSaver Wide Mouth Jar Sealer. What you're going to need is your FoodSaver, your jar attachment. This is the wide mouth one. They also have a regular or small mouth attachment. You're going to need a ring, a lid, and you're going to need a mason jar. We're going to begin by going ahead and filling up the mason jar. And you can do this with liquids or dry ingredients. And this is not a way to preserve food that has been cooked and needs to be stored, such as cooked beans, stuff like that. This is going to be for dry ingredients that you can put into your pantry or items that you're going to refrigerate for a few days. In this case, since it's a dry ingredient, we're going to go ahead and push it down as much as we can. We want to make sure that it's below this rim here. I'm going to place the lid on top. I'm going to go ahead and turn the FoodSaver on. For my FoodSaver, just take this and it pops off. I've got my lid on top. I'm going to place this down over the jar. I'm going to make sure it snaps into place and it covers the entire rim of the jar. This little nipple area here goes down into the hole. We're going to turn on the accessory attachment. You probably heard that little pop. Go ahead and take this off. And at this point, it's sealed. Go ahead and place a ring on top. And it's ready to be, in this case, stored in the pantry. If I had placed a salsa or something I was going to use up within a couple of days, salads, that type of stuff, you want to place it in the refrigerator, of course. Now, what's nice about using the FoodSaver attachment and your lids is it is reusable. Unlike when you can something, I'm going to take a spoon, just pry it under there, and then you're able to take out what you need, place it back on, and we'll reseal it. Off. As you can see, it's resealed again. Any questions about using the FoodSaver Jar Sealer, let me know and I'll be happy to answer them. If you're looking for more inspiration, be sure to visit dayswellspent.com, and if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button.